Emishango eriyo nejurirwa harimo y'ubwisi 15 eyo kutoroboza 10 ogwo kwibisembundu n'ibindi bikwato gumwe ogwo kuhamba gumwe hamwe n'ezindi manja. Emishango eji bakama bayo bakahebwe biheneso kote nkuru kandi mu biheneso ebyo harimo kumara emyaka eri kurenga muri 10 abandi 20 nangwa n'abandi 50 mu chome. Aha mukorgo kwiguraho koteji umuramuzi wa kote ejurirwamu Geoffrey Ndyamusiimanta yashaba abantu kwemanyize nkora yo kugarukana ninga okumara enshonga kitaka.
But the reality is someone has not paid somebody else's debt, you know. But it is obtaining money by false pretense. You're blocking our system. If someone has not paid the other, you say, you take that and the matter is about 5 million shillings. You say, you go to small claims court. You can record it and divert to the what? To the small claims court.
As the Exanja was said to be Exanja of not sleeping, we are also not going to sleep in this session. Here the appeals during the day, write the decisions in the night. So we are here to live to the expectations of the people of this country. What we notice that the majority of the matters we are going to deal with are murder cases. Looks like Mbarara is known for killing people. Because every time I come for a session here, the largest number of appeals is murder. I don't know why they have not been taken over.
My lords, Mbarara needs your service. Justice delivery is one of the cornerstones of a successful nation, and you represent that ethos this day.
Uri muhwezi wa RCC wa Mbarara yayiriko kwatwaho ahawe emishango kurwa mu bantu bakafuna.
Intelligence enyingi zirugamo money lenders and government. And really, it is a big challenge. You have challenges. And the president is strictly against the governors and money lenders. But you, Majesty, you don't get a pass. I wonder, why do you receive complaints from one person? It is what we call friendly government. Friendly government. Where you say, I have given money without interest. But why do you give more money? Are you a bank, and even the bank don't even give free money?
Mainly on cattle theft. We have the challenge of cattle thefts, domestic violence. That one is a challenge of our time, which you have to know, but we are really grappling with it as police. The crimes related to young people. Free things, marijuana smoking, things that will get around that.
Emanja zona 29 nezo kuhurirwa abaramuzi ba kote ejurirwamu bari kwika bashatu aba barimu Chebori ne Barishachi, Oscar John Chika na Stella Aribatese kandi niyo kumarebera bishatu. Gashakwa Edison Kinene.